We got this robotic pool cleaner. Let's open it up and test it out. All right, in the box, you're gonna find the pool cleaner itself, a hook to put on the end of your pole for your pool, the charger right here, a user manual, some stickers if you wanna put these on it, and then a quick start guide. It's fully assembled, just needs to be charged, and then it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and charge this thing up so we can toss it in the pool. And to charge this, you're just gonna take the end of the charger and you're gonna stick it in the bottom of the pool cleaner. There's only one way to put it in. As you can see, it has a square and then a D shape. You're gonna plug that in there, and then you're gonna plug it in your wall outlet. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this thing up. All right, so if you can see that, there is a green LED on the power supply there that shows that this is now fully charged. So let's get this thing unplugged and get it in the pool. All right, so I have it here by the pool. To get this robotic cleaner started, you press and hold the button. There it goes. All right, hear it beeping. Go ahead and set it in the water. It is weighted at the bottom, or at least bottom heavy, so it's going to always land on its feet, or should. And then if you give it a moment, look at there, it's already starting to run. Let's watch this thing, see how well it does. All right, and the pool cleaner has stopped. It looks like they try to get close to the edge when they stop, so it's easy to get them out of the pool. But either way, it comes with the provided hook, so you can reach in and grab them. I'm gonna grab that now. I got the hook installed on the end of our pole, and it's as simple as just reaching in and pulling it out. I'm letting the water drain out of it. And as you can hear, it's beeping to let you know it has stopped. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like inside. To make the beeping stop, I just flipped it over and pressed the button. That made the beeping stop. And then there's clamps on each side of this that you need to pull out and lift. I did that because I only have one hand to do this right now. You take this off the top, and man, look at all of that sand and dirt that it pulled off. And that's not even pulling the screen out yet. I'm going to pull the screen up. It just slides in. Probably best to use two hands. You can see there, it collects on the side of this screen. This screen just needs to be washed off with the water hose. Man, look at all of that. I thought the pool was actually pretty clean, and it still picked up a lot of debris from what just flies around, leaves, everything. The great part about this is no crazy filters to buy or any filters to prepare and clean over and over again. This, you just pull the screen off, clean it out, clean this out, put the screen back in, plug it in, and you're ready to go the next time. Pretty awesome little cleaner. Definitely give it a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.